We all know that sitting for long hours or staying in one position can leave us feeling tight, stiff, and even in pain. But what if we told you that with just a few minutes of stretching each day, you could drastically improve your flexibility and mobility, even if you have a packed schedule? The truth is, you don't need hours at the gym or a special class to experience the benefits of a more flexible, mobile body. All it takes is a simple, effective routine and do anytime, anywhere. The problem: stiffness and limited mobility. Whether it's long hours at a desk, commuting, or just a natural aging process, most of us struggle with stiffness and limited mobility. Over time, tight muscles and joints can restrict movement, cause discomfort, and increase the risk of injury. But the biggest problem: many people think they don't have enough time to stretch properly, or they simply don't know where to start. Flexibility often feels like something that requires dedicated hours, but the truth is, it can be done in just a few minutes each day. The challenge: finding time to stretch. For busy people, it often feels like there's no time to add more to the daily routine. Work, family, and life commitments fill up the calendar, and stretching can easily fall to the bottom of the list. The common misconception is that stretching requires a long time commitment, but even just a 5 to 10 minute stretch routine can yield significant results. So, what if you could unlock your flexibility without rearranging your entire day? The solution: a quick stretching routine for busy people. The key to unlocking flexibility and mobility is consistency and simplicity. You don't need to spend an hour in a yoga studio or dedicate a huge portion of your day. A focused, targeted stretching routine can improve your range of motion, relieve tension, and increase mobility in as little as 10 minutes. 1. Neck and shoulder stretch. Sit up straight. Gently tilt your head to one side, bringing your ear towards your shoulder, and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Repeat on the other side. This simple stretch helps relieve neck and shoulder tension, which is common for those who sit for long periods. 2. Chest and upper back stretch. Stand tall, interlace your fingers behind your back, and straighten your arms, lifting them slightly to open your chest. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This stretch helps counteract the slouching posture that often comes from sitting at a desk. 3. Hip flexor stretch. Kneel on one knee, with the other foot in front, forming a 90-degree angle at both knees. Push your hips forward gently, feeling a stretch in the front of your hip. Hold for 30 seconds on each side. This is particularly important for those who sit for extended periods, as tight hip flexors can cause discomfort and limit mobility.